What is the difference between hare and rabbit? Hares and rabbits look similar, but they are different in several ways. Hares are usually bigger than rabbits, with longer legs and ears. They live in open fields and grasslands and are very fast runners, which helps them escape from predators. Hares are born with their eyes open and fur on their bodies, so they can move around soon after birth. Rabbits, on the other hand, are smaller and have shorter ears. They live in burrows underground and like to stay in groups. Baby rabbits, called kits, are born with their eyes closed and without fur, so they need more care from their mothers. Both hares and rabbits like to eat plants, but they live in different places and have different lifestyles. Feature: hare and rabbit. Size of hare generally larger, whereas rabbit smaller and more compact. Legs and ears of hare: longer legs and ears, while rabbit has shorter legs and ears. Fur of hare changes color with seasons, while rabbit has consistent color year-round. Newborns of hare has born fully furred, with open eyes, and rabbit, born blind, hairless, and helpless. Nesting habits of hare: no nests, uses shallow depressions, and rabbit has builds nests lined with fur and grass. Behavior of hare generally solitary, and rabbit has more social, lives in groups. Speed of hare is faster, built for long-distance running, and rabbit, fast, relies on quick bursts of speed. Habitat: hare prefers open fields and grasslands, and rabbit, found in burrows in meadows, woods. Diet of hare: tougher vegetation like bark and twigs, and rabbit of softer vegetation like grass and weeds. Species diversity of hare is around 30 species, and rabbit has around 29 species.